Metich kede uwara ame eni na kibwa do YouTube very
I request you now that you've seen the helicopter, that when our president and our prime minister comes, can I see the team which will have the final photo with the president.
Tichie kede jo mere rien dandom jo amete la yo kirame jo tichire kan mandum jo me gikame bi ma ko jani kede president.
As the minister responsible for education and sports, and we talk about what we can do together with this national asset of ours.
Wana biro rwate chalo ministry me kuonyere kitugo utanyamo yakina wa wanu kedu mwame wana wote mukarachiel adwako mwame miru
a kind reminder, Honorable Julius Achon, he was once a world champion and he won a gold medal in 1,500 in Portugal under the World Athletics Championship. Let's clap for him.
Madam Medekre Poyu Atiru.
And he's also the reigning champion of the 1,500.
Como kwanta. Wait, Dr. you come and come here later wate.
And Honorable Sam Angola was the one who was the first to jump on the stage. That day. So right, Honorable Sam. I expect you to be the first.
Sam Angola. Nia duong Sam ena no dia atelo mielo buare come cha do ene ngola ko de ya no mielo do. Doketom. Ni mo tieni. Igwa arena. Just when si kwe ile tu plan person no na ko we. President la do ko kan ye. President la do che. Ka ki bo wa. President la do che ngai ye. Kale. President la do che ngai we ko bi ko bi kai ye.
Now the protocol is leading the VIPs to be ready to receive national newspaper.
Ni ando copy woni take president to read up ina lala pa me cheti muru ni baadaye.
And my special guest, those I mentioned who are going to say one or two the following. Our principles are clear. Let's keep time. I expect the house to begin by midday, and we have 47 minutes ahead. So we will try to keep within the program so the head of state is able to catch up with another program. Above all, there is a special visa here called Okero.
President of Japan.
Can we welcome the president? Can I see? Can we have our
very much. So the Food Safety Future Vision, which has enabled all Ugandans to participate in different activities. These are more.
Nani, you guys have gone too far. Listen, a little bit behind Jerry. A little bit Gentlemen, be where you are. Where are you going?
Northern Uganda and join us in the struggle.
Let's go back to our position.
Thank you for watching News Today on Lango News Channel. Have a blessed day.
Thank you for watching Lango News Channel. Please subscribe for more updates.
Langho News Channel. Credible.